In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade gold on OANDA Reddit. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find gold on the platform, what you're actually trading, and how to place and manage a trade with confidence. Let's clear up a common Reddit insight first. On OANDA, gold isn't labeled gold in the search bar. You're looking for the symbol XAU which represents gold priced in US dollars. Another key point Reddit traders highlight is availability. Gold on OANDA is offered as a contract for difference, or CFD. Because of regional regulations, some customers, especially in certain countries, won't see XAU at all. If it doesn't appear for you, that's usually a regulatory limitation rather than a platform issue. What does trading gold on OANDA actually mean? You're speculating on the price movement of XAU as a CFD. You don't own physical gold. Instead, you can take a position to potentially profit if price moves up or down. That flexibility means you can go long if you expect a rise, or short if you expect a drop. Here's how to do it on the platform. First, open your trading platform, either OANDA Trade on the web or mobile app, or MetaTrader 4 if that's what you use. Next, use the search bar and type XAU. If you can't find it, check your instruments list or settings and make sure the precious metals category is enabled. If it still doesn't appear, your region may not permit CFD trading on gold. Once you see XAU, open the chart. On OANDA Trade, you can use the built-in TradingView chart. On MT4, it's the standard chart window. Pick a time frame that matches your style, zoom in or out to see recent structure, and get comfortable with the current volatility and spread before placing an order. When you're ready to trade, choose buy if you think gold will go up or sell if you think it will go down. It works just like a Forex pair. Pay attention to your position size and margin because gold tends to move more per tick than many currency pairs. Risk management is essential here. Always set a stop loss to define where the idea is wrong and a take profit to lock in your target. Gold can move fast, so plan your risk to reward before you click submit, and consider widening stops during volatile periods to avoid getting shaken out prematurely. Finally, a common Reddit approach to gold is scalping, trading 5-minute charts, aiming for quick, small moves. It's fast and risky, so practice the mechanics first and keep your risk tight. That's it. Find XAU, open the chart, place your trade, and manage your risk like a pro.